How to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. Launch your Hamster Kombat. You're gonna land to the exchange page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of your drop given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the your drop page here, you're gonna see the option of connect your Ton wallet. Click on that. Again, go ahead and click on the option of connect your Ton wallet. With that, you're gonna find different available options such as Ton Keeper, My Ton Wallet, Ton Hub, D Wallet, and many more. Now you will need to connect your Hamster Kombat account to any of these wallets given over here to withdraw money from it. So I'm gonna select Ton Keeper. You just have to click on it. Now you can close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app that you want to connect to the Hamster Kombat. I have selected Ton Keeper. I'm gonna install it. After completion of its installation process, you can launch it. Then you can create your account, or also you can log into your account. Or in the case you already have an account, you can just log into it. After you log in, you can easily connect to it. Then using that wallet, you will be able to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Right now, this is the only way to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.